Hello everyone and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to deposit a check using the Bank of America mobile banking app in 2025. Mobile check deposit is a convenient way to get your money into your account without having to visit a branch or ATM. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Endorse your check. Before you even open the app, you need to properly endorse your check. This is a crucial step. On the back of the check, sign your name exactly as it appears on the Pay to the Order of line. It's also a good idea to write for mobile deposit only below your signature. This helps prevent fraudulent attempts to redeposit the check. 2. Open the Bank of America app. Log in to the Bank of America mobile banking app on your smartphone or tablet. 3. Navigate to the deposit section. Once you're logged in, look for the deposit checks or similar option. It's usually located on the main menu or a quick action button on the home screen. 4. Select the account. Choose the account where you want the funds to be deposited. This could be your checking or savings account. 5. Enter the check amount. Carefully enter the exact amount of the check. Double check this number to ensure it's correct. A typo here could cause the deposit to be rejected. 6. Take photos of the check. The app will prompt you to take pictures of the front and back of the endorsed check. Front of the check. Lay the check on a dark, well-lit, flat surface. Tap the Take a Picture of the Front of the Check button. Make sure all 4 corners of the check are visible within the frame. Hold your phone steady to get a clear, non-blurry image. Back of the check. Flip the check over, ensuring your signature and the For Mobile Deposit Only endorsement are clearly visible. Take a picture of the back following the same steps. 7. Review and confirm. The app will show you a summary of your deposit, including the amount, the account, and the images you've taken. Take a moment to review all the information for accuracy. 8. Submit the deposit. Once you're confident everything is correct, hit the Submit or Deposit button. 9. Keep the check. Bank of America recommends that you keep the physical check in a safe place for a few business days after the deposit has been confirmed. This is a safety precaution in case there are any issues with the deposit. After a certain period, the app will tell you how long, you can safely shred the check. And that's it. You've successfully deposited a check using the Bank of America mobile app. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification, and the funds will typically be available within a few business days, depending on the check amount and the bank's policies. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.